Pinangunahan ni First Lady Liza Araneta Marcos ang pagpapasinaya sa bagong manufacturing facility sa Tanawan City, Batangas. Ang naturang pasilidad malaking tulong daw sa ekonomiya ayon sa Department of Agriculture. Alamin yan sa report ni Hazel Alviar.
Pinangunahan ni First Lady Liza Araneta Marcos ang pagpapasinaya sa bagong manufacturing facility sa Tanawan City, Batangas ngayong araw, April 15. Matapos nito, umikot din siya sa loob ng planta. Magiging malaking tulong raw ito sa ekonomiya, hindi lang sa lalawigan kundi sa bansa. Napapanatili rin daw kasi nitong buhay ang tobacco industry ayon kay Department of Agriculture Secretary Francisco Cho Laurel Jr.
The Department of Agriculture in particular is thankful to PMI and PMFPC for helping keep our tobacco industry alive. Given the significant decrease in local tobacco production, I understand that the local leaf is being considered for inclusion in the production of smoke-free products, including heated tobacco sticks in the new manufacturing lines. I am confident that our local tobacco leaf will be able to meet this new demand.
Well, I think it's a great news not only for the smokers that we opening that plant, but also for the tobacco growers in Philippines.
Ipinasilip din ang kanilang scale model na state-of-the-art facility. Aabot sa 1.1 hectare ang planta kung saan malaking oportunidad rin daw ito sa local employment. Pinasalamatan ni Laurel ang kumpanya na piniling sa bansa patuloy na mamuhunan sa kabila ng umano'y economic challenges.
Our government has always recognized PMFPC's substantial contribution to the Philippine economy and society, providing employment to about 4,500 Filipinos, ensuring the livelihood of our tobacco farmers with their tobacco leaf purchases, averaging about 1.8 billion pesos annually.
Kasama si Buhay Adante Jr., Hazel Alviar, Balitang Southern Tagalog.